In this video, I'm going to take you through 5 things you need to do so that it can increase your chances of getting more watch hours, your chances of getting more subscribers, and your chances of getting more YouTube recommendation. And the fifth one actually works like magic, okay? You need to watch everything step by step, okay? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to explain every step, okay? And after explaining, I'll take you to my YouTube studio and show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do immediately after uploading your video, even before you click on publish, the first thing you need to do is that you need to ensure that you have added end screens to your videos, okay? During the last 30 seconds of your video, some, videos appear on the screen. So these are the end screens, and I'm gonna show you how to do it very soon. But end screen is such that it helps YouTube to recommend your videos, and not just helping YouTube to recommend your videos. You also get more watch hours, more views, and more money, okay? When someone watches your video and then they click on the end screen, it tells YouTube that people are actually enjoying your channel, okay? So YouTube will see that, okay, there's something positive going on your channel. So let me keep on recommending videos of this channel. And trust me, I've got a lot of views from end screen, a lot of watch hours from end screen, and add revenue as well from end screen. So let me go to my YouTube studio and let me show you how to do end screens.
So you select any of your video that you want to do the end screen on. You scroll down a little bit, you swipe a little, you're going to see end screen. Okay, so you click on end screen. Yes, so this is the interface you're going to see. Then you click on elements, and then it's either you choose a video or a playlist. Okay, so I'll choose video. Okay, yes, it depends on what you want. So I'll choose video. And then you scroll down a little bit, you click on choose specific video. Okay, so I'm going to choose the video I want to, appear on my end screen. Yes, that is it. Very easy. So once you are done, you just, click on save. Okay.
All right, so the second one is card, right? So before you publish your videos, make sure that you have cards on your videos, okay? So cards are those things that are, appeared at the very top of your videos, you understand? Yeah, so when someone clicks on it, it's, takes them to, a different video, okay? And when they watch that video, they are going to get your views, they are going to get your watch hours, and it improves the YouTube recommendation. So I'm going to my YouTube studio to show you how to do the cards as well.
So you can find the card just below the end screen. Okay, so you click on card. Once you click on card, this is the interface you are going to see, right? So you can add multiple cards on a single video. Okay, so you click on card here, the plus sign, then select video. You can also choose playlist, right? All right, so now I have to choose a video I want. Okay, yes, so I've selected this video. Yes, and as you can see, it is here. Okay, so I can shift to any position I want. Okay, yes, I can shift to any position I want. Now let me add another more card to it. So I want to place it here. Okay, so I'll come to card. I'll then go to video, and then I have to select another video I want to use as a card. Yes, as you can see, it is here. Okay, yes, that is it. All right, so it's very simple to do. Now, card is used for making reference to a video at the top. Okay, so once you click on that video, it will take you to the video. Okay, after that, just click on save.
The third one is, adding your video to a playlist. Yes. Now, most people just, publish their video straight away. That is fine. But then you need to make sure that you add every video to, a playlist. Okay. So on this channel, for instance, I have playlists on how to get subscribers, how to get views, YouTube settings, YouTube recommendations, watch hours, a whole lot. You understand? So when someone goes to my channel and then they go to my playlist, you want to watch videos on watch hours. Once they click on it, they are going to get all my videos on watch hours. If they want to watch videos on views, once they go to views, they are going to watch all videos on views. They want to watch videos on subscribers, once they click on that subscribe playlist, they are going to watch videos on subscribers. You understand? So that is how it is. So for every video, make sure that you add it to a playlist. Okay.
All right, so to do the playlist, you just scroll down, right? So once you scroll down, you are going to see this feature here, playlists. Okay, so all you have to do is to click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, you add the video to playlist. Okay, so as you can see, I've added it to get more views and also YouTube growth playlist. But then if you don't have playlists on your channel, all you have to do is to come here, click on create new playlist. Okay, then you go to new playlist and then you create a new one. Okay, so let me say YouTube tutorials. So once you've entered the name, all you have to do is to click on create. You can also add description. Okay, but then I don't normally add description. Okay, so just click on create. You get me, and that is it. Very simple. Okay, so as you can see, it has been added YouTube tutorials. Okay, so anytime someone goes to your channel, they are going to see all these playlists there. So when they click on YouTube tutorials, it will give them videos on YouTube tutorials. Then they are going to watch. You get your watch hours, and you are going to get a lot of views on your channel. But then remember to click on done. Okay, click on done, and after that you click on save.
So the fourth one, which is very, very, very important, is that right after uploading your video and you click on publish, don't just go to bed and sleep. Make sure that you start a conversation in your comment section and then you pin it, right? It's either you start a conversation or you pin one of the comments or you pin one of the comments. And you see, this is something that I've been doing on this channel and it really helps me. If you check my comment section, you'll see that I've been pinning some comments and one comment can get like 100 replies, 20 replies, 50 replies, you understand? So imagine I did not pin those comments, you see. So when you pin those comments, it helps, to keep more engagement on your channel, okay? And the more engagement, the more YouTube, recommends your video, you understand? So let me show you how to pin a comment in case you don't know how to do it.
All right, so to pin a comment, you just go to the comment section of your videos. And as you can see here, I've pinned this comment and I have 16 replies, right? Yeah, so that is the importance of pinning the comment. So I'm going to select another comment to pin it. Okay, so you click on the three dot and then you click on pin, right? Just tap on pin. Okay, yes, that is it. Very simple. Let's see if it's worked. Yes, that is it. Yes, so pinning is very, very simple.
The final one and the magic one, which has been helping me a lot, is that after 3 hours of uploading your videos and publishing your video, if you get a lot of impression, yet the click rate is very low, you need to change your thumbnail and your title. You understand? But before changing it, click on this sign here, okay, to see whether the problem is from YouTube or it is from you. Yes. Now, when you see this, it is saying that your video is being recommended to a wider audience. Okay. Yes. So if your video is being recommended to a wider audience, then there's no problem changing your title and your thumbnail. Okay. Because it is one of the reasons why, your click rate is very low. But then if there's nothing like that, then what you need to do is that you need to change your thumbnail if you think it is bad, or you need to change your title if you think it is bad. That is if your impressions are many, but the views are very, very small. I've done this multiple times on this channel and it has helped me. Okay, so once you are able to implement these things, trust me, it is really, really going to help you.